Hello friends, my topic name is A-Star Mobile Store Business Plan. Content. Introduction. Mobile retailing is a term used to describe shopping or purchasing using smartphones or tablets. It is now the fastest growing segment of retail sector in UK and US and Western Europe. In China and Japan, consumers have been even more enthusiastic about mobile retailing. In Western Europe, mobile retailing, which represents 6.7 percentage of total online sales in 2013, had risen to 33.9 percentage by 2018. The use of technology to do conventional thing is growing rapidly. In the UK, it was revealed in 2019 that 69 percentage of people use contactless cards at least once in the previous year, including more than 60% of people aged over 65 years. Aim of project to study about mobile store business, to study the features of mobile phones, to study advantages and disadvantages of project. Literature review. Review of the related literature is one of the first steps in research process. It consists of summary of finding research carried out the past on same directly and indirectly related topic. This review provided insight the researchers regarding what is already known and what remains to be tested regarding topic research. It guide researcher to avoid duplication and provide a useful suggestion for further research of a given topic. Therefore, the aim of this chapter is to review the literature on mobile phone related work. In other words, in this chapter, the studies which have been undertaken by various researchers in India and abroad in relation to mobile phone and mobile banking have been reviewed. Brief description of project. Why mobile store good opportunity? Mobile has become a very basic for people all over the world. Everyone uses a smartphone. Even small kids are obsessed with in a mobile has become a entertainment medium more than its basic use, which is to connect with others. Interest in mobile phone and the number of mobile phone brands entering the Indian market has steadily risen over the last decade, with new players like Jio entering the market and releasing cheap data plans. Best selling mobile phone companies in India: Xiaomi, Samsung, Vivo, Realme, Oppo, Apple, Lenovo, Huawei, Asus, Micromax, and Google. Mobile companies market share in India: Xiaomi 28.0%, Samsung 25%, Vivo 11%, Realme 9%, Oppo 8%, others 19%. Net banking. Banking on the internet saves time at no extra cost, but the dangers are very real. Staying safe is streaming content means it is likely that the security is good. Of course, ask your employers for permission. You will have trust your network manager to not access record your online activity. Option for the one-time password facility whenever possible. Be it to change your net banking pin, make the transaction, or add third party account. This would require you keep your phone number and email update with your bank. Using a public terminal for accessing your online bank account is risky. If you cannot avoid doing so, you have an option of using a portable operating system. Encourage conventional shopping. PhonePe, Beam UPI, Paytm used for net banking. Advantages: improve customer service, remain in contact with the office, customer and suppliers, increase mobility, increasing productivity, work remotely. Disadvantages: workflow disruption, compromise work-life balance, cost, legal issues, terrorist. Actual procedure followed. First of all, I asked our project guide about our project. I went in cyber cafe for collect the information. Then I started making the project. Then I took all information about our project. I visited the website mobile store business, collect to all information. I collect all information about mobile store business mentioned in cyber cafe and type for typing our project report. My project report is done. Output of the micro project: we studied all information about mobile store business. Application of micro project: to analyze good and bad features of mobile store, more values your customer business is all about reciprocation. Build a stronger brand. One of the most important things in mobile app offers to consumers is awareness and in communication with your brand. Connect better with customer, boost profit. Skill develop learning out of micro project. Working with team members means teamwork skill developed between us during a project. Good understanding, good bonding with the group member. Skill are developed under working with team. Making project under group with the help of group members. Skill developed. Also communication skill is developed. Area of future improvement: after successfully completion of this project, we will able to solve the analysis good and bad features of mobile store business. References: current scenario. We can see day by day how technology growing fastly, where mobile play very big role for good and bad side. As their new features and facilities are coming, we can take lots of benefits of mobile, like as well discuss about um, online shopping, net banking, learning and so on, since there will increase in the mobile store business.